This client was losing over 10k a month, all because he didn't have the proper stock management. Today, I'll quickly show you how we solve this problem with Bloxtor by creating a real-time stock dashboard. So let's log into Bloxtor, create a new project. Here you can go to our store and install a pre-built stock manager program, but we'll not do this now, we'll simply create a program from scratch. So after creating a project, prepare your database structure where you can create all the proper tables for your application, like the client's table, products and other tables. Then go to your presentation layer and start creating your interface panels by drag and dropping the database tables into your template, and Bloxtor will take care of the rest by creating everything automatically. You don't need to worry about anything else, Bloxtor will do it for you. After this, you can always personalize the panels at your taste and requirements. All components are editable at the most granular level, so there are no limitations. And finally, just preview your app done in only a few minutes by drag and dropping. And that's how you can save thousands in no time. Want to make sure you're not missing out on more sales? Visit our websites.